Hey, we are here for new beliefs, to work on new beliefs of break no more, to break no more. And here the new belief that we're working on is, okay, I'm sorry, I'm just jumping in. Um, my values are a necessity, not a luxury. So first and foremost, it's important to work on your belief system so that you keep getting at it. It's as important as the whys. It's as important as knowing the root cause of you breaking as well. But like perhaps even more important, it's like it's equal to the whys, right? And it's your motivator to move towards action. And here it's we have the equation, the formula that is true success is equal your values plus your actions. Because if you're just centered around your values, around your values only without action, then it's just ideas, right? You don't anchor anywhere your values, and it's just fall flat. All right. Then, if you're just focused on actions and go by the action, the action, the action, the action without like having direction, it's like you're going like a bit everywhere. You don't know why you do anything, and it stress you out because you need to remain in the action. You have like no big vision, and then you just burn out. So when you keep acting in alignment with your values, then everything falls behind and gets better. It's like yeah, it builds up in the same direction, right? It's like instead of being like you just push the same thing up, right? Because you have like your core ideas that are in place. So it's the foundation, and then you just have to move in one direction or the other, and it just builds up around the same block on the same block. So it's not scattered, it's organized, it's structured to some in some ways. So for instance, if you want to implement it today, to be able to implement that new belief system today, what you can do is ask yourself, what is one action that I can do um that is in alignment, for instance, with my core value of courage, of connection. What is one action that I can do today? True success equal values plus action. Much love.